Okay guys, where should we start from?
Now from the top, make it jump.
Hi guys, it's Ayman and welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year guys. I'm filming this on the 31st of December, but by the time you guys are watching this, it's probably already 1st of January, so Happy New Year. Let me give you guys a hug. This morning I was watching this YouTube video of a YouTuber talking about her goals for the year, and I was weirdly very interested in her goals. Okay, so I thought, okay fine, let me make my own vision board and hope that my audience will be interested in my goals for the year. To those of you who don't know what a vision board is, it is basically a board, obviously, with pictures or visual representations of your goals. Okay, basically taking pictures of what you want from life and putting it on a board. I hope it made sense, guys. I hope whatever I just said made sense. I'm somebody who definitely believes in the power of manifestation. Okay, I literally have a board. Let me show you. On top of my head that says manifest your vision. Okay, so I do believe in the power of manifestation, and this is my first time making a vision board, especially on camera in front of so many people. I'm actually not the kind of person who likes to talk about my goals to the public, but this year it just feels different, you know. That's what I say about every year, but this year, let's just hope it is my year. If you guys want to know what my goals are for this year, then keep on watching. And in case you guys want to make your own vision board, let me tell you guys what you need for this particular craft. The first thing that you'll require to make your own vision board is some pictures of your goals, and I have my goals here with me. Let me take you through them. Along with your goals, you also need a plain piece of paper. So this is where I'll be pasting all my goals for this year, guys. In no particular order, one of my goals this year is to renovate my room and make it extremely Pinterestish. I always loved rooms like this, like, you know, clean, sophisticated. So I want my own room this year that looks like this. 2021 has been one of the most unhealthiest years of my life. I've eaten so much of junk and I don't want 2022 to be like that. So this is one of my goals this year, to be healthy, to eat healthy, to work out more. So yeah. Okay, oh my god, this is a major, very big goal of mine. It is to change my dressing sense. Okay, so I would like to define my dressing sense as basic. Okay, I'm an extremely basic human being who loves her comfort zone. My style is very comfort, very basic. And I want to change that. I want to be more fashionable this year. I want to upgrade my dressing sense. Someday I will be holding this and it's going to be real. It's not going to be paper. It's going to be a real silver play button, because that is one of my goals this year, to hit 100k subscribers on YouTube. When I started my YouTube channel, I thought it is impossible for me to hit 100k, but we are almost at 80k subscribers, guys. That's a huge number. I photoshopped this picture and put Just Aiming over here, you know, to make it look more mine. And this particular goal I won't be able to achieve without your help. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get to 100k real quick, guys. My subscribers mean a lot to me, and this is a comment from one of my subscribers. Reading this is going to motivate me every single day to make videos. So yep, I'm putting a comment on my vision board. And just so you guys know, I read every single comment on my YouTube video, so don't ever think that your comment goes unnoticed, because I read everything, guys. Everything. Okay, so this goal of mine is a bit difficult, but then I hope to make it come true this year. It's a picture of Canada. I want to go to Canada this year. I just hope it comes true. Oh my god, okay, so this is a picture of high heels. Okay, so basically, let me explain this. It's a bit deep, guys, okay? I want to step out of my comfort zone this year. Okay, so these heels actually represent getting out of my comfort zone and being uncomfortable. I want to experiment more and step out of my comfort zone. So that's one of my goals for this year. And last but not the least, I'm going to be putting this quote. Okay, I could have put any quote I wanted, but I chose this. Okay, so it says, the only way you'll see results is if you stay consistent. So consistency is what I will preach this year. This is my mantra for this year, to stay consistent. So yeah, that's going on my vision board. This is Toasty's way of telling me that even he wants to be on my vision board. I am going to be adding this as well on my vision board. It's a picture of nails. I want to be fancier this year, you know. So yeah. Once you are happy with the way your vision board looks, you can just paste it. It's not pasted yet, but I will paste it now. So let's do that, guys. Someday I'll be dressing up like this and not like this. This is my vision board for 2022, guys. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm making a vision board, and look at how aesthetic I've made it. Like, I don't know about you guys, but Toasty really seemed to like my vision board because he kept sitting on it and he refused to get off. Like, he really wanted to be on my vision board, guys. You get it? On my vision board? Yeah, you guys get it. So yeah, that is my goals for 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video inspired you guys as well to dream and have some goals of your own. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye. What are your goals for this year, Toasty? Is it to make more cat friends? Because I can get you a cat if you want to. Oh my god, my cat probably hates me.